This community post, vendor wants to give the cash back, whatever amount vendor wants to provide 100% cashback to customer for their right predictions. That means there will be any question, or you can say input type, where on which basis vendor will define that whether the customer is going the cashback or not. The cashback amount is depends total amount that customer has placed in the lifetime homepage. So that means the vendor wants to know a customer, how much has customer spent on their website in their whole lifetime period. That period could be a 1 year, 2 year. I don't think he is limiting this. We are assuming that the whole orders placed by customer will be counted as total order. Let's find out how we can find out the total spent of a customer on the website. So this is our website. Person is login for the time. See, I'm making this video after being logged in site because order is associated with the user only. In that case, the user has to be logged in on the website to get the details. Reach to home page and edit our code. So we all know the order details are in the array of object of orders. So we are going to write in the theme liquid, so that we are choosing this theme dot liquid because theme dot liquid is global for all the pages, and everything written on it will be available to all pages. You can define the you can put the code where you want. For the learning purpose, I am putting it on the theme dot liquid. So for this, we have to get the order object of a user. So first of all, we have to check whether user is login or not. For this, we have a customer object where we will check if customer. That means customer is login. This is a condition where we get to know customer is logged in. Okay. Since the customer is login, the order object will be available. So if you have any confusion what will be the array, and we can use our account liquid file to get the actual code. Like here, if customer order size, which will tell us the customer has placed any order on the website or not. Array of order object where we are going to play the loop, and order will contain a single order detail which is available. Now, what are the key items available here? Well, price. Let's see if it's available at the store. Save. Since the total price value is 2 times, that means customer has placed 2 orders. For our vendor, we have to calculate the total amount. Now we have to calculate to total the all the array values into single one. For this, we will define a variable sign net sign net total equals to net total order dot value. Now we will print this after the array and see what is the value. Done. And refresh. We can see we have the total amount. Now our problem is remain the same, that amount is in paisa, not in the rupees. Okay, so let's see other filters which are available. Here's the amount where currency value is not there. So we will use this filter, the money without currency. So here is our code. You can see you can use it here. Let's refresh the page. This is the total amount user has spent on the vendor website in their lifespan. If you face any problem or you have any query, you can comment it on my video. I will definitely answer this. If you need help in implementing the same, I can also help. Thank you. And don't forget to like the video if it solves your problem.